So most of you guys are having difficulties in finding your labs. Like many of you are asking that which game this lab is part of, or which skill badge this game is or lab is part of. So in this video will help you how you can find the labs easily and complete the arcade games and solutions. Now here first we'll cover the arcade games. You can see for example this game is here, and here you can see all these labs are here. But every game every month they update the labs. For example the same lab, for example this introduction to Dart is it present in the January base camp. In next month or maybe in any time in June, it will be present in any trivia game or in any other work meet play game. So they changes automatically. That's why we cannot provide the lab link. Okay. Also, once the game expires, the lab link cannot be visible. And if you try directly to do the lab from the catalog, you won't be able to get the badge. That's why we have formulated a simple and helpful guide for all of you. Here, this is our master sheet. Now, why we are calling it master sheet? Because it contains everything you need for the arcade and arcade facilitator program. For arcade program, currently you need to do only the arcade game, and for the arcade facilitator, you need to complete skill badges, pre-assessment skill badges, and lab free courses. As of now, please avoid these things, otherwise you'll lose some extra bonus points. So simply you have to click on this monthly games. I've shared the link of the master sheet in the description. You have to just open it. On the left side, you can see all these games are here. Here is the access code. So sometimes what happens, you are unable to just check the access code, means copy the access code. In that case, you have to come to the arcade homepage and simply here you have to just join the game. I hope you know how to join the game. If you still face difficulties, you can just watch this playlist I have shared in the description, how to join the game, how to start, all the things I have covered. Just navigate and check it out. Here we are talking about the labs. For example, you can see in arcade you are doing arcade base camp. So what is the correct way? First, you need to just open any game. Do not do any randomly labs. So for example, you want to complete the base camp. You clicked on start here. You have joined the game. And after that, you have to just click on this and find the labs. For example, you want to do implementing page navigation in Flutter. Instead of searching on the YouTube, you just come to this channel, come to the playlist, or wait, let me show first of all. Here you can see the Basecamp playlist is here. You can simply open it like this and just complete it. Else you have one more opportunity that you want to do Basecamp, right? From the master sheet in the arcade games, you have to simply come over here, click on this playlist. You have opened the Basecamp over here, right? You can open the playlist and just follow sequence wise one by one. You want to complete, for example, you want to complete, let me show you an example. You want to complete this migrating workload Google Kubernetes, sorry, migrate Prometheus monitoring workloads to Google Cloud. You want to complete this lab, just open this lab over here, start it, and parallelly open the first video over here and just watch it and complete the challenge. Similarly, go for second. Like this, you have to just go on and on. For example, if you want to complete week 1 trivia, you come over here. Similarly, just come over here like this. You want to complete any lab, you can just select over here. Just select it, start and do. Similarly, how you'll find it? You have to come to the arcade games page. Here you'll see week 4 trivia. Do not worry, it's week 4 trivia only. You have to click on this playlist. You can see here week 4 trivia is there. Do not worry, some labs are having issues. That's why the solutions for week 4 is not live. I've already made a video like you want to do week 1. Okay. So like this, you can find the solutions and you can easily complete the challenge. If you still face any issue, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. To like the video and subscribe the channel.